Hey foodies, we're making a citrusy salad that is packed with flavor and is light and filling at the same time. Join us to see if this is something you'd like to test out in your kitchen. The citrusy side of the flavor will be developed with oranges. So start with peeling 2 large oranges and take off a few very thin orange part-only zest strips from one of them. The zest will help to infuse the oil and other ingredients. Then toast the hazelnuts on low until the skins are cracked and hazelnuts are golden brown. When toasted, set them aside to cool. In a sauté or a saucepan, add half of the tablespoon of olive oil and 1 cup of Israeli couscous and start toasting. Give it a stir to coat the couscous with oil and add a couple orange peels to infuse it with citrusy flavor. Stir constantly to toast the couscous evenly until lightly golden and pour in the vegetable broth. Close the lid and simmer on low until the broth is completely absorbed. This will take you around 10 to 15 minutes. Look at these golden beautiful couscous pearls. Let them cool and prep the rest of the ingredients. 3 cloves of garlic and the red onion, let's peel them first. And then thinly slice half of the onion into the rounds. If you have a mandolin, this is going to be an easy task. If not, then you'll have a chance to develop your knife skills. Now let's take the skins off of the hazelnuts. When they are toasted well, the skins come off really easily. All you have to do is just rub the nuts. This is a small amount, so most likely it will take you only a couple of minutes. Then roughly chop the hazelnuts with a knife and set them aside. We will use infused olive oil for the dressing, so I'm going to warm a tablespoon of olive oil with the garlic mashed in a garlic press, fresh thyme leaves, and orange peel. A little sizzling and the oil, aka the dressing, is ready. And the last thing before combining everything together is separating the orange segments so that they are skinless and placing them in a large mixing bowl where you will combine a salad. Using a sharp knife, cut off the white part around the orange that has been zested. Keeping the knife tight to the juicy part of the orange is key, so keep it tight. And shortly after, the orange flesh will be completely free of the skin. Cut it into segments like so and make sure you have a bowl under the orange to catch the juices. Peel the second orange with the same method, slice it into rounds and set aside. Okay, now add the couscous to the bowl with the orange segments and discard the orange peel. Separate the onion rounds and add them to the bowl as well. Then goes in the chopped green olives and the chopped hazelnuts. Drizzle everything with 1 tablespoon of red wine vinegar, season with freshly grinded pepper, and toss and mix to combine the flavors. Check the seasonings. My vegetable broth was salty enough, so the couscous turned out to be perfectly seasoned. And paired with green olives, vinegar, and orange sweetness, the salad tastes really great, so I haven't added any salt. The last touch, drizzle the salad with the infused olive oil, discarding only the orange peel. Mix again and plate. Use the orange slices as a bed for the salad. Spread the salad over in a thin layer. Top it with fresh thyme leaves and enjoy! This Israeli couscous and orange salad has a unique character, which I hope you're going to try and repeat. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.